Hi everyone, my name is Shepard and I'm going to introduce the new Brightlink projectors that were installed in select classrooms. Now, if you've received your projector,
you should have received a remote control for the projector and for the Apple TV.
Depending on what kind of computer you have, the Apple TV is only compatible for Mac devices. I will go over the other ways to connect in this video, but for now, let's go connect to the Apple TV.
First, you want to power on the projector using the remote and wait for it to turn on.
You then want to turn on Apple TV using the remote. If your projector does not display the Apple TV main menu, then
you can select the source search button on the remote to connect automatically. You then want to go onto your Mac device and click the AirPlay button at the top of the screen. From here, you select the Apple TV in your classroom. If you are unsure about which one is yours, click on Menu on your Apple TV remote, go to Settings, then General to show the name of your Apple TV. Once you select it on your computer, an AirPlay code should pop up on your screen. After you enter it in the blank line, your screen will be displayed on the board.
If you want to connect using HDMI or VGA, you plug it into the media port.
After you plug it in, go to the correct input or select source search on the remote. If you want to change between different sources, you would press the computer, video, USB, or LAN buttons depending on what you want to display.
Now that we've gone over how to connect, let's dive into the new features that the Brightlink projector has to offer.
It should come with 2 Epson pens that magnetically attach to the screen. It is recommended to use these if you want precise control, but your finger works just as fine. To access the interactive menu, tap on the screen with either the Epson pen or your finger. From here, we can select whether you want the whiteboard display or your device interactive mode. You are able to write on both of these modes, but they give you a different canvas to write on. In the blank display, you are able to choose the background. In this menu, you are also able to change the color and size of the pen. There are other buttons like undo and redo that correct your drawings. The erase tool gives you a direct pen erase or whole screen erase. This button right here locks the side menu so that it doesn't disappear when you write on the board. The pen mode icon allows you to write on the screen or disable the draw on feature. The other menu is located at the bottom of the screen. You can adjust the volume, change the zoom, select the input, turn off the power, and use audio visual mute.
The AV mute button temporarily shuts off the audio and visual display in case you want the students to pay attention to what you're saying and not what's on the screen.
To resume the audio and visual display, just press the button again. All of these options are available on the remote as well as the board. And finally, the freeze button pauses your current screen on the display board to allow you to work on your computer in private. You can press freeze again to restore it to the current screen.
And that's all for this introductory tutorial about the basics of your Brightlink projector. There will be another video coming out for advanced users that will go over the projector menu and how to set up touch controls for on-screen interaction. Feel free to submit a help ticket if you're having trouble at help.esuhsd.org. Thank you for watching and have a great day.